Hey everyone, want to launch apps instantly with ueli? Instead of searching through the start menu, ueli lets you open your favorite applications with just a few keystrokes, making your workflow much faster. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to launch apps with ueli step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure ueli is running. If it isn't already open, launch it from the start menu. Once it's running, you'll usually see its icon in the Windows system tray, ready to respond to keyboard shortcuts. Press the global shortcut to display the launcher. By default, ueli uses Alt plus space, although you can customize this shortcut later in the settings. Start typing the name of the application you want to open. You only need to type a few letters, and ueli will instantly display matching results from your installed programs. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the application if multiple results appear, then press Enter. The selected application will launch immediately. The more you use ueli, the easier it becomes to launch applications quickly. Simply type a few characters from an app's name, and ueli will usually place your frequently used applications near the top of the results. If you'd like, open ueli's settings to change the keyboard shortcut or adjust launcher behavior. Choosing a shortcut that's comfortable for you can make launching applications even faster. And that's how to launch apps with ueli. Using a simple keyboard shortcut and a few letters, you can open your favorite programs much faster than navigating through the start menu. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.